Hey guys, so today I want to go over how to take high resolution screenshots of your world. So I went ahead and combined two worlds from our past two previous videos, which was manipulating the atmosphere and creating landscapes to create this kind of weird, trippy, bush chair, purple sky world. And we're going to go over how to take a nice screenshot of this. So, you could use your snipping tool or whatever other built-in software to take a screenshot. But if you really want a nice like 2K, 4K screenshot at the perfect angle, this is how you want to do it. So first we want to get the perfect angle, which usually means getting very low and looking up. Let's try this way. Sure, why not? And we're going to want to grab, if we go into Window, Developer Tools, we're going to want the output log. Once we have the output log open, we're going to want to enter in the console command, high res shot right here. Now there's a few ways we can do this. We can either give it a number from 2 to 16. This is going to take a resolution that is twice the quality of what is currently in the viewport. And I could go 4, this would be 4 times the quality of the viewport. I can also just specify the resolution I want. So if I want it 2K, I can do 1920 by 1080, and I will go ahead and hit enter. And high resolution screenshot is saved, and it gives you the file output. If it goes away and you miss it, no worries. So if we go into our Unreal projects, this is a world building demo. We're going to go into saved, screenshots, windows, and there we go. My 2K high resolution screenshot.